Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best tennis overgrip on the market, the Babolat vs Overgrips 12-pack in white. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, the grip you choose can make a significant difference in your game. And Babolat has earned a solid reputation for delivering quality tennis accessories, especially their overgrips. The Babolat vs Overgrips are known for their exceptional thinness and smoothness, which has made them a favorite among professional players around the world. What sets these overgrips apart is their ability to provide a very natural feel on the racket handle, almost like playing with the original grip, but with added comfort and control. Measuring just about 0.02 inches thick, these overgrips manage to maintain that delicate balance between tackiness and softness. This means you get a firm hold without sacrificing sensitivity, allowing you to feel every shot you make. The smooth surface is designed to reduce friction and prevent blisters, which is a common concern for many players, especially during long matches or intense practice sessions. Another important feature of the Babolat vs Overgrip is its durability. While it's thin and soft, it's engineered to last longer than many other overgrips on the market. The 12-pack ensures you always have a fresh grip ready, which is crucial because regularly replacing your overgrip maintains the quality of your hold and keeps your racket feeling like new. The color of these overgrips is classic white, which not only looks clean and professional but also matches easily with any racket design. The grip is made from plastic materials that are lightweight, so they add virtually no extra weight to your racket, preserving your swing dynamics. Installation is straightforward. You simply wrap the overgrip around your racket handle, and it adheres firmly without slipping. This ensures consistent performance throughout your game without needing constant adjustments. Plus, its one-size design fits most standard tennis rackets, making it a versatile choice. For those concerned about sweat, the Babolat vs Overgrip offers excellent moisture absorption, which helps keep your hands dry and the grip secure. This is especially beneficial for players who play in hot or humid conditions where maintaining control is challenging. Beyond the technical specs, Babolat has been a trusted brand in tennis for decades, and their commitment to quality is evident in this product. The packaging includes 12 individual overgrips, making it economical and convenient for players who frequently replace grips or want to keep spares handy. In summary, the Babolat vs Overgrips 12-pack white offers a professional-grade solution that combines thinness, comfort, durability, and moisture control. Whether you're playing casually or competing at a high level, these overgrips are designed to enhance your grip without altering the natural feel of your racket. If you're looking for a reliable, pro-endorsed overgrip that can improve your performance on the court, the Babolat vs Overgrips are a top choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.